So how you can create a server in Node.js? So here's a way where you can create a simple server in Node.js within just 1 minute. And here's the prompt, here is the code, and let's see and run this code using this. So using the simple by coding and just do the thing, and it will working perfectly just you want. So I just need to cut this off, and let's say so our server is ready, and now let's run the server on a browser, and it's running in this platform. So you can see this is a hello world on the server, and let's create this using Express npm express. Okay, we have installed the Express. Now let's do this const express require express the app is creating the path. We have decided the listen port is running on this port, and now let's do that as the same. Okay, now it's crashing because of waiting for the change before selection. So it's not finding the module, so we have forgot to do this. Just do npm init, then do the y npm I express. Just use the right the express, or now run this again, and now our server